Hey, I want to show you the screenshot of a $200 test that I'm not even done with yet. It's not even done with yet. And what you're looking at is $600 in recurring payments. And it's really exciting. The test ain't even done yet, and I'm not even showing you yet all the other stuff, all the other sales I'm getting, all the other fun things. First of all, I'm Jeremy. Yeah, I'm in a recliner because who doesn't like to make money in a recliner in the living room, right? So I like to lead by example. I teach exactly what I do. And in this case, that's what I'm doing here. So I took $200. I got that number. I didn't just pull it out of my wazoo. I thought about, I spend at least $6 a day on random stuff I don't need. Maybe a coffee from a coffee shop, although I like my home coffee. But at least $6 a day I'm spending somewhere. Some people have different habits and whatnot. That adds up to about $200 a month. So I figured, why don't I just spend it on traffic instead and see what happens, right? So I built something that I've never seen anybody set up this way before, and it's making me all giddy because it's working, and I'm super excited. But I wanted to show you first that it's produced over $600 a year forecasted revenue in recurring payments. The traffic test is not even done yet. I want to stress that I'm only spending $200 on traffic, and I'm not even done yet, and I'm already like tripling my money. Yeah, right. So, and that doesn't include the upsells. We have more things that were in place. We're getting one-off sales, follow-ups in place that are getting one-off sales, and we're getting the opt-ins. So this is the opt-in conversion rate. People that go to my page and opt in for the thing on the very front, which is a very, very, very unique and specific thing that I'm doing that I've never seen anybody else do in the way that I'm doing it. And trust me, I really don't want to give you the secret, but I'm gonna. So it's juicy. It's really, really juicy. And it's irresistible for this audience. It really is. And that's why it's converting at 50% and 43% opt-in rate, multiple tests within the $200 test. I'll show you how all that works, and this allows you to gather feedback. This tells me that it's actually working. Also, nearly 90% of those opt-ins are also joining a Facebook group I built for a very unique way, a very unique reason that I have never seen anybody else do. So I'm not only getting tons of subscribers, 50% conversion rates, email subscribers, we're getting Facebook group members, we're getting recurring subscriptions and sales, we're getting upsales, we're getting follow-up sales, and I haven't even spent a whole $200 yet. A good percentage of them are going for that recurring. And I'll tell you, one of the tricks right now is because we're putting a dollar trial on the recurring. So they can actually get in today for $1. And then in a couple days, it turns into X amount per month. And the offer that we're making is also irresistible. I'm going to show you all of that. By the way, that was a really juicy nugget. And we've got other offers in place. We have order bumps in place. The traffic source that I'm using for this is, you've probably never heard of it. Okay. And it literally is invite only. You can go to their public website and you can't even use it unless somebody gives you a link. Somebody is already using it. It's only known by some of the top players in the game. And I'm serious. It's not Facebook. It's not any social media, any of that. And it's the easiest traffic source I've ever used in my life. I am not kidding. I've been in this game for over a decade. And this source is super high quality. It's getting me buyers, right? It's getting me buyers, getting me sales, getting me recurring buyers. I mean, geez. And it's so easy that is literally put in your link and set your budget. You choose how much you want to pay for the clicks. I mean, you choose how much you want to pay for the clicks, and then you press go. And the traffic starts rolling in within even I've tested this a few times. Sometimes it comes in within hours, and it usually always comes in within 24 hours. Like within a day, you've got traffic coming to your thing. It's that easy, and it's some of the highest quality traffic on the internet. It's really a well-kept secret. Honest to goodness, I'm not kidding you. And when I show you, you'll see. And you cannot even get in unless you know somebody who has an invite link. And I've got an invite link for you. And it won't cost you a penny. Well, besides getting access to this case study, which, by the way, you could have spent $200 on traffic, or you can see the $200 already spent, the full setup, everything I did, so that you can go replicate to a heavy degree and borrow my ideas and my structure and my everything. I show you the whole nine and put it in for yourself and have a good idea of what you can potentially expect if you were to spend $200 on traffic from the source that I show you, right? It's just the way it is, right? I've already done all the guesswork for you. The alternative is you can go and try to figure out a good squeeze page that you can build yourself. You've got to figure out a good offer. You've got to figure out everything. And you've got to search for a traffic source as good as this one, which you'll never find. Trust me, because I've been looking for a source like this for over a decade. Most of us online guys have, and it was built by guys like us, guys like me, who buy traffic and needed something like this. And it's brand new. It's only been around for about a year, and it's exploding privately within the community because it's so dang good. The price of the case study alone is worth finding out what this traffic source is. Just that alone, it's worth it. To get the invite link to this place, 100%, I would pay $100 or more. Knowing what I know, I'd pay probably $1,000 just for an invite link to this place. I'm telling you. And you don't have to pay anything for that. You could sign up to the place for free. It's a free sign up, but you pay per click for your traffic, right? And you set how much you want to pay. So that alone is worth the price to get in. I really want to let you know how valuable this is to you, especially if you're a beginner or don't have much experience in paid traffic. Now, I'm going to walk you through how I track things, how you can see what's working, what's not, how to be able to fix it quickly, and how to grow it, how to scale it. I don't like the word course in this case because I feel it's not value enough. What I'm showing you is a case study, what I actually did, not just how to do it, but like what I actually did, and you see everything so that you can implement. Instead of just throwing money at a wall and what sticks, who knows? The value is there. I've got to love it or it's free guarantee. Look, 30 days. If you don't love it, just send me an email. Email's at the bottom of this page, and it's jeremykennedyhelp@gmail.com. Be fair to me, and I'll be fair to you. If you have any questions, if you think it's hard and you just have questions, you can also use that same email instead to reach out and ask for help. And I'm one of these guys that will actually help you. I will actually respond and actually tell you some advice, right? And I'm also going to offer you, of course, other ways that you can get additional help from me. But let me tell you what, this case study, I've packed it full of gold. I'm going to throw in some bonus goodies, some stuff that I sold for over $997 that is like the full shebang of my whole online business, like how it works completely. Again, that's an actual $997 value. It's going to be in there as a bonus. Just as a bonus, guys. You should get that. I'm telling you what, I reveal everything about my business. This is something that you literally could have set up today, have your traffic set up today, and have sales coming in potentially within the next 24 to 48 hours with this traffic source. I'm not joking because I did it, right? I built it. I built it in a day. I started the traffic. It started coming in within a day. Sales came in right off of the bat. Like within the first, I was actually surprised at how fast the first sale came in. It was like within just like tens of clicks. Blew my mind. So that being said, this can work really fast if you implement. I love you. Whether you get in or not, I love you. But hit the button below, get in, and we'll see you on the inside.